case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Vermont Supreme Court once heard a case that tested the boundary of responsibility for negligence. The case, Bolsta v. Johnson, took center stage in 2004 and highlighted the considerable distinction between negligent behavior and grave disregard for the rights of others. At the heart of the incident was a car accident that took place in September 1999. Sarah Bolsta, the victim, was caught in a collision with drunk driver Michael Johnson, subsequent to his failure to stop at a stop sign. Bolsta's injuries were extensive, including a broken kneecap and permanent knee damage, whereas Johnson, with an alarmingly high blood alcohol level of 0.156, escaped unscathed. Later, it surfaced that not only had Johnson been drinking prior to the accident, but also had a history of driving with a suspended license and previous related convictions, a pattern of behavior that Bolsta argued constituted malicious intent. Given the severity of her injuries and Johnson's reckless behavior, Bolsta brought a personal injury lawsuit against Johnson. She sought compensatory damages for her injuries and punitive damages to punish Johnson's alarming behavior. However, the trial court awarded Bolsta compensatory damages but stopped short of granting punitive damages, much to her dismay. The court justified the decision, maintaining there was no sufficient evidence of malicious intent on Johnson's part. While Johnson's actions were inarguably negligent, they did not meet the stringent malice thresholds for punitive damages, per standards articulated in a previous decision, Bruckner v. Norwich University. Unsatisfied with the trial court's decision, Bolsta appealed the case, arguing that Johnson's history and conduct were adequate proof of malice. She urged either for the Bruckner standard to be amended or for her case to be an exception. However, the Supreme Court upheld the lower court's decision, emphasizing that negligent or reckless behavior does not necessarily correspond to malice. The court astutely reiterated the need for individualized analysis of each case to decide if punitive damages are applicable. In Bolsta's case, the court found no evidence of bad faith or an abuse of power justifying punitive damages. As a result, the court declined her appeal and affirmed its previous ruling, again underscoring the complexities of the law when drawing lines between negligence, recklessness, and malice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.